Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Johnson. Today I will be talking to you about the certain design choices I made on this infograph on the economic impact of forestry in Idaho. I would first off like to explain my color choices based on color theory. People associate the color green with growth, harmony, freshness, and fertility. Therefore, the color green was an obvious choice. This goes hand in hand with my infograph. Its two main themes being harvest of trees and money behind the industry in Idaho. I use the rule of three with my color palette using the three base colors white, green, and black. This helped keep a high level of contrast, allowing things to pop off the page as well as keeping colors visually appealing. For the data organized, I chose to offset my data in two columns, rotating the graphics and the words. This was done because it helps the viewer's eyes bounce from subject to subject as they flow down the page. I also created a border around the data. I believe this helps focus the reader on the infograph and helps them and keeps their eyes on the page, not allowing them to simply drift off. I chose a variety of different icons and images intended to keep the infograph friendly as well as visually appealing. I believe this to be important because it invites the reader to read the infograph and doesn't make it appear too heavy or wordy. I tried to make some data more visually appealing by using the state of Idaho as a graphical representation of the percentage of forested lands. Not only does this image show the percentage, but it helps them relate the statistic to the state of Idaho. All of these techniques are used as a visual tool to help draw the attention of the viewer. Thank you for watching my screencast. Goodbye.